Beginners must remember this dust. It's about the appeller angle. As long as this appeller angle keeps following this edge line, the lane line. This way, the distance between our car body and the edge line is about 50 centimeters. Very nice. Do you believe it? If you don't believe it, I can get out of the car and show you. Okay, I'll get out here in front and show you. See, isn't it always sweeping along the edge line? See, isn't it? Okay, I'll stop here in front and let you see how much space is left between our car body and the edge line. See, isn't there still about 50 centimeters of distance? This way our vehicle will basically be driving in the middle of the road and won't drift off course. See, isn't our vehicle driving in the middle of the road? So, when we drive, as long as this appeller angle keeps following this edge line, our vehicle will basically be driving in the middle of the road and won't drift off course. And if our steering wheel's 9 o'clock position extends out and aligns with the edge line, then our car body is about 30 centimeters from the edge line. Okay, now I'll get out and see if that's true. See, isn't there still about 30 centimeters of distance? Many people say, why do so many people say that the 9 o'clock position on the steering wheel is the position of the left front wheel? Do you know why? Many people say this because they look at it this way. Looking this way, it aligns with this edge line. It's exactly where our left front wheel crosses the line. But if we sit upright and look, it's different. So, if we sit upright and look, and this 9 o'clock position extends out and aligns with the edge line, then our left tire is exactly 30 centimeters from the edge line. Therefore, when we pass through narrow roads or meet oncoming cars, we can also use this 9 o'clock position. So, any obstacle outside our 9 o'clock position can be safely passed without scratching. And then there's judging the distance on our right side. Actually, for the right side, we only need to look at one position, which is the highest point of the wiper. As long as this highest point of the wiper, see, isn't the highest point of the wiper now aligned with the curb? Do you believe it? At this time, our car body is still about 20 centimeters from the curb. If you don't believe me, I'll get out and show you. See, isn't there still about 20 centimeters of distance? And this rearview mirror won't extend beyond the curb. So, we just need to look at the highest point of the wiper. As long as the obstacle doesn't exceed this highest point of our wiper, we can pass safely without scratching. Very nice. But many cars now don't have this highest point of the wiper visible. What should we do then? Then you can take a sticker, or a positioning sticker like this, and stick it in this position, directly on this spot. This way, we can see clearly. As long as the obstacle doesn't exceed this point, we can pass safely without scratching. Also, when we park by the side of the road, we can also use this highest point of the wiper. First, turn the steering wheel a little to the right, so that the highest point of the wiper aligns with the curb. See, are they aligned now? Okay. At this point, we straighten the steering wheel, then turn a little to the left, letting the highest point of the wiper continue to drive along the curb. See, isn't it always driving along the curb now? This way, when our car body is straight, we can park. If there's a car in front, we park until our car is level with the rear bumper of the car in front. See, can you just see the front car's bumper now? This way, you can park. Okay, now I'll get out and you can see how we parked. See, isn't it very nice? The car body is still about 20 centimeters from the curb. Very nice. Okay, now, if we want to drive out, we can just turn the steering wheel once and drive out. Because when we just parked, we only parked until the hood was aligned with the front car's bumper. This is so that when we drive out, we don't need to reverse back and forth. We can just turn the steering wheel once and leave. Just turn the steering wheel all the way and you can drive out. Can we just leave directly? Very nice.